Hey guys, made it 35 here. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Guys, we're doing second break is 2015 draft jumbo 2-box break. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in on this. Woo, that sucked. It's crazy, just boom, and then I just fired up. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't understand. No, I don't. Yeah. Here we go. Box 2. Thanks again, guys, for your support. I appreciate it. There we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. All right. Ooh, fall down. Sorry, guys. You guys, I know they have to work in the morning. I apologize. I really do. Hopefully I pull something nice for you. Make it worth your while staying up. Oh. All right, here we go. All right. All right. 4 stacks. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Sorry again, guys. I apologize. I do apologize. Here we go. Good luck. Draft baseball. Refractor, Antonio, and Blake, Rays and Reds. And her hit. There it is. Hop. Who's talking about Hop? I just pulled Hop for you. Killer. Duke. Who had the Cubs? Who had Cubs? Did Duke have Cubs? Probably fell asleep. Congratulations to the Cubbies. Hop. There it is. The Rangers. $4.99. Phil for the Giants. Giants. Thomas for the Astros. Here we go. Desmond for the Mets refractor. Another refractor. Manuel for Red Sox. Base. Almost missed him, too. Refractors, Nolan. Another hop. Jeez. That's crazy. Insert. That's a nice insert of him. Refractor, Josh Bell for the Pirates. Base. Tyler J for the Twins refractor. Albert for the Cubs. Greg Biggio, Astros. There we go. Astros are on the board. Congratulations. Astros. There we go. Trent Clark for the Brewers. Dansby. Diamondbacks. That's a nice one. Refractor, Grant Holmes. Dodgers. Blue. Grant for the Indians. 250 purple. Not blue. Purple. 250. Andrew. Red Sox. Walker and Yon Lopez. Diamondbacks and Dodgers. Tristan for the Indians, Derek Hill for the Diamond Tigers, and Cody for the Miami Marlins at a 250 purple. Cody, Miami Marlins, Casey and Garrett for the Rays. On that one. Base. Tyler, Mark for the Diamondbacks, and Paper Green, Jake for the Rockies out of 99 for the Rockies. 55 and 99. Paper. And Will for the Rays, Ronnie for the Giants. Are your refractors? Base. Christian for the Tigers, Sean Newcomb for the Angels, Ryan for the Rockies are your refractors. Fix and stack a little bit that we went through. Okay. All right, stack 3 coming up. Good luck. Here we go. Refractor, Cam for the Tigers, Braxton and Colby for the Braves, Greg for the Phillies, and paper, Tristan for the Indians at a 150. Paper for the Indians, 150. Paper. Lucas Giolito for the Nationals, Thomas for the Astros, Lopez for the Nationals for refractor. Base. James for the Yankees, refractor, Andrew Moore for the Mariners. Dylan Moore for the Rangers, refractor. Trent for the Reds. Christian for the Tigers. And Joe for the Rays, refractors. And we got this boy. Dansby, Swanson. These things are pretty good. I think there's like one a case. Very nice card for the Angels. Congratulations to the Angels. Well, I gotta get a different plastic for that one. The sleeve. Congratulations to the Angels. There we go. Yep, sorry. You're right, D. Sorry, you're right. Diamondbacks. I don't know why I said Angels because of the A. Wasn't thinking. You're right. Diamondbacks. Thank you. Thank you, Greg. Greg's on top of it. I would have started out right when it came time to sort. Maybe. No, I'm just joking. Ingram from the Mets. Ramsey for the Reds. And Josh for the Royals at a 150. Paper. Jorge for the Phillies. Mark for the Indians. And Brandon for the Pirates are your refractors. And we got a hit right on top. Good luck. Here we go. Peter Lambert for the Rockies. Congratulations to the Rockies. Lambert. All right. There we go. Here we go. Chrome paper. Nope. Not yet. Not yet. Lopez for the Diamondbacks. I wanted to say Angels again. I don't know why. Jeff for the Yankees getting late. Braley for the Phillies. And for the Dodgers, Walker. There we go. For the Dodgers. I don't know why I want to say Angels and it's Diamondbacks. My brain. Last stack. Here we go, guys. Thanks again. Sorry again for the technical difficulty. Getting rolling. I'm using like a crappy camera. It seems like it's working. Bolt for the A's. Taylor Ward for the Angels. Sean Reed Foley for the Blue Jays are your refractors. Paper. Good stuff. Good stuff. Jeez. Ian Happ refractor. Cubs killed this one. All the different colors and pulled his auto. Crazy. Collins for the Rockies. Tigers. Christian Stewart. Congratulations to the Tigers. Christian Stewart for the Tigers. Avery, there he is. Not out of the Miami Marlins. $4.99. Paper. Alright, here we go. like to see one big hit. I think we got one left, one or two left. Gold, maybe. Gold would be nice. Gold would be nice. Walker, Dodgers, Taylor, Angels, Rafael Devers refractor for the Red Sox. Got a green coming up. Richie for the A's. Austin Meadows refractor. And green is Jake for the Brewers. Out of 99. Congratulations to the Brewers. 5 of 99. Green refractor. All right. 99. Base. Dansby for the Diamondbacks refractor. J.P. Crawford and Cody for the Royals. Base. Kevin Newman for the Pirates. Brett for the Miami Marlins. Michael Chavez for the Red Sox. Base. Last deck, guys. Thank you so much for joining this one. Sorry again. Keep on apologizing. My apologies. Williams for the Diamondbacks. AJ Red for the Astros. And Nick refractor for the Rockies. Rockies got another hit. Congratulations to the Rockies. Sorry, everybody else. There we go. Nice. So that's it. All right, guys, let's do a recap real quick. Thanks again. Here we go. Mike for the Rockies, Christian for the Tigers, Walker for the Dodgers, Peter for the Rockies, Dansby for the Diamondbacks, Connor for the Astros, and Ian Hop for the Cubs. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Guys, made it 35 here on Breakers TV. Just completed 2-box jumbo break 2015 Bowman Draft. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in on tonight's break. This is break number 18 for Wednesday, hump day. Thanks again. Hopefully we'll see you around. All right. Good night.